Take a ride in the 2023 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.